Hey everyone, again welcome back to our channel, and today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can delete your Spotify history. But before we start with our video, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, do share this video with your friends and family. So let's get started. So first of all, go to your Spotify app and make sure your app is updated. And yeah, so once you open your Spotify app, you will tap any of the playlists that you just played. Apparently the recently played list is your history, and that is what counts as the history of your Spotify app. So you will just tap on any of the playlists, and as you can see, when you type on this three dot, you will never find an option called delete your history or delete your recently played. So yeah, you won't be able to find that. So what you can do is you can make your playlist, your recently played, your history anonymous. You can hide that. So what you will do is tap on this gear setting option on your top right corner, and then you will just go to this section called social, and here you will find this private session. So for me, this private session option is enabled. That means whatever I will be listening, whatever my history will be, Spotify won't be tracking that, and it will only be to me. Nobody else will be able to see what I'm listening to. So yeah, so you make sure you have your private session option is enabled on your. So this is the only way that you can make your listening history anonymous on your Spotify app. So yeah, I hope this video has helped you, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.